Looking for the perfect dessert recipe for a date night, pissed off your significant other and looking for something to make up, or rather something to soften the blow to break up? Make this luscious 4-ingredient chocolate mousse now. This light and fluffy chocolate mousse recipe will certainly help make all your problems go away, or at least make your day better. So let's dive into the world of decadent chocolate and create this irresistible treat together. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more mouthwatering recipes. Yes, the only 4 ingredients necessary are some heavy cream, 100 grams of sugar, 3 eggs, and 200 grams of dark chocolate. And use the nice ones, please. Now let's begin by roughly chopping our chocolate. Our aim is to have smaller pieces of chocolate that can instantly melt when introduced to our cream. Now that we have our chocolate all chopped up, move them to a bowl and set them aside for now. Next, it's time to separate our eggs into its whites and yolk halves. I'm putting my whites directly into a bowl for stand mixer, while the yolks go into a separate bowl where it will get acquainted with the sugar. Once we have our eggs separated, I'm going to put 1.5 cups of the heavy cream into a saucepan and heat it up till it just gets up to a simmer. We'll now put all of our sugar into a bowl with the egg yolks and give this a thorough whisk till the eggs and sugar are combined with a consistency resembling that of a custard. Just before we forget, least our mousse ends up with a raw eggy flavor, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and give it one final whisk to combine. The vanilla extract should help get rid of that unsavory egg smell. Next, we're going to whip up our egg whites on high using a stand mixer or an electric hand mixer. Whisk them till they form stiff peaks that do not flatten immediately. Our cream has warmed up nicely and now we're going to add all of our chopped up chocolate to it. Give this a thorough whisk. It will first look very light, very similar to a hot chocolate, and if you feel like adding more chocolate, don't. We have already added enough. Keep whisking till all the chocolate has melted and be patient. What you end up with is this thick and luscious chocolate ganache. Next, we're going to pour in 1/4 cup of our warm chocolate ganache into our egg yolks. And please don't pour the entire thing at once. The residual heat will continue to cook the egg yolks. We're now making scrambled eggs here, or add the entire thing if you want to fulfill some sadistic craving of chocolate scrambled eggs. Once your egg yolks are tempered, go ahead and add the rest of your chocolate in and whisk till everything is homogeneous. Now as you can see, this bowl was too small for the rest of the recipe, so move it to a much larger bowl like me, or don't overestimate yourself and use a large bowl in the first place. Next, we're going to add our whipped up egg whites 1/2 at a time to our chocolate mix. Don't make the mistake of whisking this now. We want to add the fluffiness of the egg whites to our mousse, so you are just going to fold it in a circular motion around the bowl till the entire thing is incorporated. Once your first batch of egg whites are incorporated, it's now time to add in the second half. Continue to fold in the second half of the egg whites into your chocolate in a circular motion around the bowl till the second half is incorporated. Finally, once we have all of our egg whites incorporated with our chocolate, it's time to place this into ramekins. I recommend pouring your mousse into a jug before filling in your ramekins. This will help an even and smooth distribution of the mousse and also avoid creating a mess on your countertop. Your kitchen will thank me later. Once we have our ramekins filled up almost a quarter inch from the top, this now goes into the refrigerator for about 2 to 3 hours to set. Final step is to make our delicious topping, which is just plain and simple whipped cream. Place 1 cup of heavy cream into a bowl of a stand mixer and set the speed to high. Whip the cream till they're well whipped. Again, don't forget we want to whip it till it gets a stiff peak. The mousse is out of the fridge now. Top it up with a generous dollop of the whipped cream. And finally, sprinkle some shaved chocolate on top for the garnish. Congratulations, you've mastered the art of creating this heavenly chocolate mousse. Now take a moment to admire your creation and share this delightful dessert with your loved ones. If you had a blast making it, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more mouth-watering adventures. Until next time, happy cooking and even happier eating. Bon appetit!